Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 7.1 15th question. A pair of dice is thrown 4 times. If getting a doublet is considered as success, find the probability of successes. When a die is thrown, you will get a sample space n of s is equal to 36. So the condition is getting a doublet. They are asking if getting a doublet. Okay, so getting doublet is same numbers you will have to get it. Okay, that is called doublet. So 1, 1 you will get, 2, 2 you will get, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, then 6, 6. So number of doublets is equal to, just count the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs are there, so 6. Therefore, probability of getting doublets is 6 divided by this n of s. Okay, so 6 by 36, which is equal to 1 by 6 will get. Therefore, we can declare this as P. Okay, so P is equal to 1 by 6. Now we will have to find Q. So Q is equal to, we know the formula, it is 1 minus P, which is equal to 1 minus P is 1 by 6. So that is equal to, take your LCM, otherwise cross multiplication, 6 minus 1 by 6 you will get, which is equal to 5 by 6. So now your P is ready and your Q is ready. When they have given you, it is 4 times. Okay, so number of times a pair of dice thrown is 4 times. Okay, so that is equal to 4. Therefore, number of, you can write it as n is equal to 4. Binomial distribution is the formula is P of x is equal to x, that is equal to NCX P power x Q power n minus x. So you will have to substitute all these values in this formula. Okay. Before that, the condition is find the probability of 2 successes, that is probability of two successes is equal to P of x is equal to 2. Now substitute all the values here in this formula, so you'll get it as NCX. Okay, so n is 4, so 4C, x is here 2, P power x, so P is 1 by 6, whole power x is again 2. Q power n minus x, Q is here 5 by 6, power n minus x. Okay, so n is here 4, minus x is 2, which is equal to 4C2, we'll just go to the combination, 4 into 3 divided by starting with 2, so 2 into 1, this is 1 by 6 the whole square, so I'll just write it as 1 by 6 square into, this is 5 power 4 minus 2, so you'll get 5 square divided by again 6 power 2, which is equal to 2 and 4 you can cancel, you get 2, so 2 3s are 6 will be there. This is 1 by 6 square, it will become 36. Again here 5 square will become 25 divided by 6 square is 36. So you can cancel this 6 and 36, you will get 6 times. So the final answer will be this 25 divided by 6 into 36, you will get your answer as 216. Therefore, probability of 2 successes is is equal to 25 divided by 216. This is the answer for your 15th question. 16th question, the mean of a binomial distribution is 5 and the standard deviation is 2. Determine the distribution. So they have given you mean over there. So mean is equal to 5. Okay. Mean is equal to 5 they have given. And your standard deviation is equal to 2 it is given. So your mean formula is NP, which is equal to 5, and your standard deviation formula is root of NPQ, which is equal to 2. This we'll just mark as equation 1 and this is equation 2. To remove your root, so we'll just square this equation 2. So we'll get it as NPQ is equal to this side 2 square. Okay, so 2 square which is equal to 4. NPQ is equal to 4. So we'll just mark this as equation 3. Now equation 3 divided by 1. Equation 1, okay. So that is NPQ divided by NP, which is equal to 4 by this 5. So you can cancel this N and N, P and P. So you'll get your Q is equal to 4 by 5. P we'll have to find. So P we know the formula, it is 1 minus Q, which is equal to 1 minus this Q, 4 by 5. Now get your LCM, that is 5 minus 4 divided by 5, which is equal to 1 by 5. We have got Q and P, we will have to find N now. To find N, you can substitute in your equation 1, that is the value of P, okay. So substitute P in equation 1. So that is NP is equal to 5. That implies N into your P value is 1 by 5, which is equal to 5. So N is equal to, take this 5 outside. So 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. Therefore N is equal to 25. Now we have got all the values. Q is here, P is here, and N is here. We will have to substitute in your binomial distribution formula. Okay. Binomial distribution formula is P of x is equal to x, which is equal to NCX P power x Q power n minus x. So we'll get it as P of x is equal to x. Your n is 25. Okay, so 25 Cx. So C, keep your x as it is. Then P power x. So P is 1 by 5. The whole power x. Then Q is 4 by 5. The whole power n minus x. N is again 25 minus x. So this is the answer for you. They have asked you to determine the distribution. So we have got the distribution. This is your formula. Okay. So in your formula you will have to substitute it. So that is the answer for your 16th question. 17th question. Determine the binomial distribution for which the mean is 4 and variance 3. Also find P of x is equal to 15. So they have given you mean and variance. Okay, so before sum it is mean and standard deviation. Now it is mean and variance. So mean is equal to, they have given 4. Okay. Then variance is equal to 3. Now the mean formula is mean is equal to NP, which is equal to 4. So we'll just mark this as equation 1. And your variance formula is NPQ which is equal to 3. So we'll just mark this as equation 2. Now equation 2 divided by 1. So this NPQ, that is NPQ divided by this NP equal to this 3 divided by this 4. So you can cancel your N and N, P and P, so you get Q. Q is equal to 3 by 4. So we'll have to find P now. So P is equal to 1 minus Q is your formula. That is equal to 1 minus Q is this 3 by 4. Which is equal to, go to LCM now, 4 minus 3 divided by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4. So that is your P. Now you'll have to find your N. Okay, so substitute P in equation 1. So here in 1 you'll have to substitute it. So NP is equal to 4. So N into P is 1 by 4, which is equal to this 4. So that implies N is equal to, take this 4 that side, so we'll get it as 4 into 4. So N is equal to 16. Now you'll have to substitute in your binomial distribution formula. Okay. Binomial distribution formula is P of x is equal to x, which is equal to NCX P power x Q power n minus x. So P of x is equal to x is, now substitute all the values, we got it over there. Okay, so n is here 16. So 16 Cx P power x. So P is your 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 power x, and your Q is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 power n minus x. Now they have asked you to find P of x is equal to 15. So wherever x is there, put 15. Okay, so in this format. Therefore, P of x is equal to 15, which is equal to 16c, instead of x we'll have to put 15, 1 by 4 power x. Okay, so x is 15 and 3 by 4 power n minus x. So n is 16 minus 15, x is 15. Since 16c15 is a bigger number, we'll just convert it to a smaller number using this formula. You all know this formula, that is NCR is equal to NCn minus R. So substitute now here. Instead of NCR, we have got 16c15. Okay. 16c15 is equal to 16c16 minus 15. So that will be equal to 16c, 16 minus 15 will become 1. So you can convert your 16c15 to 16c1. Okay. So I'll just write here, instead of 16c15, 16c1, and this is 1 by 4 power 15, and here it is 3 by 4 power 16 minus 15 to become 1, equal to 16c1, that is NC1 is equal to N, we know. So you can use this formula, that is 16c1, NC1 is N. Okay, so 16c1 will become 16, 1 by, this is 4 power 15, so 4 power 15 in the denominator, into 3 power 1 is 3 divided by, again 4 power 1 is 4, equal to 16 into 3 divided by 4 power 15 into 4 power 1 will become 4 power 15 plus 1 will become 16, which is equal to 16, you can write it as 4 square into 3 divided by 4 power 16. So you can cancel this 4 square and 4 power 16, you get 4 power 14. Therefore, the answer will be 3 divided by 4 power 14. So, this is the answer for your 17th question.